Eto tinatanong na, hindi nyo ba alam yung identity ng subject? Yan, tanong ni Atty. Topacio.
We definitely know
Oh,
the identity.
what is the purpose of the ID? No, hindi. Yan ang napag-usapan yun ni Atty. Baligod. Oo, ikaw, sabi ko, Atty. Raimundo, meron ba kayong duda that this person in front of you is Secretary Mike Defensor?
Wala po. Wala
Oh,
po.
eh,
Already
naman pala eh.
established that.
Oh,
Ang sabi ni Topacio, parang, duda pa ba kayo na itong nasa harap nyo ay hindi si Mike Defensor? Kasi bakit yung identity? Gusto nyo kunin nyo? Hindi nyo ba alam? Yan si Mike Defensor. Yung bang ganon? Anong identity bang inaalam? Yung gusto nyo hanapin?
tapos. So, can we leave now?
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you.
But sir, let me just make it clear.
Oh, can we leave now? Thank you. Oh, pahabol pa to si Sir, papahabol pa. Oh, sige. Oh, sige, gusto mo magpahabol. Oh, anong issue mo, attorney, Sir?
I just want to respond to the allegation earlier that we're investigating a non-crime. That's not true po. As you can see in the joint affidavit of the
Oh, so tinatanggi niya na, Sir, hindi hindi totoo yung sinasabi niyo na nag-iimbestiga kami ng non-crime.
quote-unquote 18 Marines, may allegations po of graft and corrupt practices, bribery, and other crimes. So, hindi po non-crime ito. May crime po tayo iniimbestigahan.
Okay, sagutin mo ako ngayon. Sagutin mo ako ngayon. Ipapatawag mo ba yung mga binanggit nila? O
Yan.
hindi? O hindi?
Oh, ang gandang tanong.
Tell me now, para tapos tayo.
sir,
So
can
alam natin kung non-crime o crime ito. Tell me, yes or no?
Sandali lang.
Patatawagin mo ba yung mga binanggit nila? You tell me now.
Let me speak. Let me speak.
Hmm.
So, we will have this
Yes or
interview now.
no? Yes or no?
No,
Yes or no?
This is not a court. You can't do that, sir. Huh?
Oh, so hindi nyo patatawag.
Let me finish.
Sinabi niya
Let me
non-crime.
finish, sir.
Sinabi
Oh, yan. Ito na issue. Ito na issue. Bakit sila nag-aaway? Kasi palis na, thank you, you can leave now. Tapos sumirit siya, itong mataba, itong attorney na si Sir, na sabi niya, hindi totoo yung sinasabi yung nag-iimbestiga kami ng non-crime. Sabi niya, okay, sabi ni Topacio, ipapatawag mo ba yung involved na nabigyan ng maleta? Ang daming sinasabi. Si Topacio, hindi, yes or no. Ayaw pumayag, hindi, ang dami. You cannot do that. Alam mo kung bakit? Sinasabi ni Atty. Topacio kung ipapatawag. Kasi yung binanggit nitong 18 Marines na nabigyan ng maleta, yun ang crime. So bakit gusto mong imbestigahan, isa-isa pa, yung Marines. Pero yung nabigyan ng maleta, hindi mo ipapatawag. Tapos you are telling me, sabi parang kay Topacio, na itinatanggi nyo nag-iimbestiga kayo ng non-crime. That is illegal. Hindi ka pwede mag-imbestiga. Ano ka, syota? Daig mo pa, syota, mag-imbestiga unless ang iimbestigahan mo krimen. May karapatan kayo. Sir, halimbawa, imbestigahan kita. Anong sasabihin mo anong karapatan mo? Syota ba kita? Pala desisyon ka, Kotsoli ha. Sino ka sa buhay ko? Same thing dito. Hindi krimen. Walang krimen ginawa yung Marines. Tapos tatanggi mo. Ayaw mong patawag yung nabigyan. Yun ang krimen. Tapos itatanggi mo, hindi kayo nag-iimbestiga ng non-crime. Bawal po yun. Tatandaan nyo ha. Huwag kayo mag-iimbestiga ng walang krimen. Unless yota ka. Okay?
niya non-crime. Sinabi mo, hindi non-crime. So, if you're investigating a crime, ang tinuturo ng mga 18 ay maaring, hindi ko sinasabing guilty, maaring gumawa ng krimen, ipatatawag mo ba? Just tell me, dumaldal ka na ng dumaldal hanggang gusto mo.
O yun nga, di ba? Ang simple. Ay, nabulungan ka tuloy. Mali ka dyan. Sagutin mo muna, yes or no. Then, bahala ka na dumaldal. Maghapon ka dyan.
Sagutin mo lang ako o hindi.
Are you about done, sir?
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, so we will have an investigation. If the evidence points to them, if there's sufficient evidence, then we will do so. Ipapatawag din po namin sila.
No,
So, may
Tony
proseso
Mundo.
po. May proseso.
So, kung may enough evidence, papatawag nito si Tambaluslos, si Boying, si Sandro, si De Lima. Pag may evidence, enough evidence. Sige nga, sabihin nyo, lagay nyo sa comment section, papatawag ba? Ako, hindi ako. Kapustahan tayo, hindi papatawag.
I was the one who mentioned that. If you want to establish the identities of the Marines, including myself and my wife, Attorney Levy already stated the IDs were given downstairs and you can verify and the serial numbers are with him. So, what I'm saying is, if the identity is the one that you want to establish, then that's it. That's why I'm saying it's a non-crime. Now, if it's a crime investigation, then you should call on those they pointed to. Kasi establish yun na yung identity eh. Yun lang ang gusto nyo establish eh.
So, yan tapos na dyan Pati asawa ni, ganyan na po sila Kaya mahirap kalaban tong gobyerno ko. O hindi, asawa mo dadalihin. Or anak, nandadamay sila. Pwede ba ginawa kay Marcoleta yan?
So once you have established their identities, yung tinuro nila, patawag nyo rin. Now it becomes a crime.
Sir,
But if kung sila lang imbestigahan ninyo, then it's a biased, non-crime investigation of the people complaining.
sir, hindi po sila iniimbestigahan. They are witnesses. They are
Exactly.
witnesses.
So that's why when I said you establish their identity, then it's downstairs. The serial numbers are with Attorney Baligon. Once it's established, you call the others. The 40 names, including the affidavit, including Sandro Marcos and Bongbong Marcos and Yusek Jojo Cadiz of DOJ. Yan, mga critical yan. Kung sasabihin nyo ngayon ipapatawag nyo, 100%, I agree with you.
Tulong-tulong tayo. Yeah, ba?
Tamo, itatanggi pa yan. Hindi daw sila iniimbestigan because of a crime dahil sila ay witnesses. Pero kung tratuhin nyo sila, sinisiraan na sa media, gusto nyo pa hiwa-hiwalay na parang wala silang karapatan na sabihin na no? Diba? Anong klaseng investigasyon yan?